What's up, guys? It's me, your Gmail. So, in short, I'm scam. I'm scam. I'm scam. Yes, I am scam from eBay. I bought a Nokia 8010 4G for using as a hotspot and a phone where I wanna stop using my smartphone. But at the end of the day, I'm scam. I'm scam. Do not buy the Nokia 8810 from online any retailer. It's very hard to tell. This is a fake. The moment I got this box, I can tell you this is fake. The way it look. So yeah, this is the unboxing and review of fake Nokia 8810. So at the back it says a dual team store. They say it's built on the Kaya OS, but that is not the case. I think so. Okay, let me show you the box. I mean the quality of the box telling me scam. You see, everything look like rubbish inside. I mean this is a rubbish fake. I mean the phone is also coming out. There's a charger and a battery. Okay, I don't know what's this, to be honest with you. I literally have no idea. Scrap. Let me take out this fake Nokia 8810 and put the box aside. Let me put the battery inside to show you. So here we go. Okay. Come on. It's not working. Okay, put the battery like this. Okay, come on. Okay. Let me turn on the phone. Man, let me peel off the. Let me see, is this real or fake? Because the build quality have like doubt. Menu. Okay, this is fake. This is not based on KaiOS. I can tell you. I have used KaiOS phone before. This is absolutely fake. You see. Setting, display. This is fake. Let me see the snake game. My file. Amazon is Amazon. Why the hell I have to insert this sim for the stupid Amazon? Snake. Let's play this. Ah? Is this the snake game? Is this a joke? Is this literally a joke? I mean, this one is very flimsy. I can tell you. Yeah, this one is really very flimsy. But the phone is literally fake. Okay, here we go. The build quality is acceptable, nothing bad to be honest with you. Okay, unlock. I have to press the stupid key to unlock. Okay, let me do it again. Unlock. Now it's unlocked. Menu. Was nothing worked. Literally stupid fake phone. Gallery. Capture. For example, let me capture this one. Okay, even it do not have any 4 GB memory inside, which the real 4 GB have. I mean the 4G have. This have nothing inside. A full fake phone. I don't know what to say. I mean literally, but I mean the real one will look so beautiful, isn't it? As you can see. Wow. Let me do it again. Wow. I mean the phone look really good in my hand. I mean. Okay, this alarm which I can use. Let me show you call log. Okay. Contact. Images. Video. Messaging. Opera. Nothing will work, I know. WhatsApp tools, camera. So yeah, this is like a really high class fake phone. Okay, games, FM radio work. But the good thing is that it have a 3.5mm jack at the bottom. Okay. So FM radio work without the headphone jack, which is a good thing. Auto search and scan. Let's see. The real Nokia have a small logo. This one have a really very big logo, which tell me it's a fake. Exit videos. Okay. Setting, phone setting, slider option, slide open, receive phone call, slide close, stop operation. Okay. Key lock. Okay. Power management, display. You can use a wallpaper for the display. Awesome. Security, call setting, profile, connection, network account. There is no Wi-Fi, I think so. Yeah, there's no Wi-Fi. Network account. There's no Wi-Fi in this stupid phone. Network selection. Yeah, there's no Wi-Fi. You can't use this phone with Wi-Fi. So at the end of the day, what should I tell you about this phone? Okay. This slider mechanism is broken. It's not fun to use, to be honest with you. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy at Geek. Subscribe and bye. That's all I can say. Bye.